get up here, could you? Can you turn around for me? There we go. Good boy. Oh, good boy. There we go. Where are you going, bud? Did you guys sleep good? Did you have sweet dreams? Yeah, Molly says her did. Was that little teeny baby Burke the only one coming out today? Thank you so much, sweet baby. Okay, one forehead kiss. Okay, go get in your bed, bud. Go on, go get in your bed. Or, okay. Ah! Oh, Buster. Oh, Buster. Oh, Busters. We're a mess this morning, Buster. What was that tapping? I have no idea.